Greetings friends and welcome to today's problem sums video tutorial. Now this question was taken from the Maha Bodhi Primary School year 2019. Let's discuss. 3 boxes A, B and C contain some marbles. Box C contains 272 marbles. Box A contains 3/4 of the total number of marbles in boxes B and C. Alright, so what does this statement mean? It means that if you were to write a ratio, for A is to B and C, this is how you're supposed to write it. A will take on 3 and the total of B and C will take on 4, like this. Next up, the ratio of the number of marbles in box B to the number of marbles in box C is 1:2. So B is to C, this is 1:2, which means that B plus C, and why do I put B plus C? Because I had that earlier, alright? So B plus C will be 3. The question is, how many marbles are there altogether in boxes A and B? Now to do this, we need to identify the repeated identity, and that is the B plus C value. So in here is 4, but in here is 3. So we need to make it the same. So 4 and 3, we need to push it to the common multiple of 12. So we times 3 here, we times 4 here. Alright, so when that happens, we get 4:8:12. And on the left side here, we get 12, 3 times 3 is 9. So from here, we know for sure that B and C has 12 units. It cannot be different because the number of marbles inside did not change. Okay, so B and C is 12, which means for sure B will be 4 units, C will be 8 units, and A will be 9 units. So since we know that box C has 272 marbles, we can say that 8 units for the box C, will be equals to 272. Okay, let's see what is that. 1 unit equals to 272 divided by 8. 34 marbles. Okay, question is, how many marbles are there all together in boxes A and B? Now for A and B, have a look. 9 plus 4. Okay, how many units is that? Let's see. 9 plus 4. 13 units. So we need to find the value of 13 units. 34 times 13. Okay, 442. 442 marbles. Final answer for this question.